sis Panda Bernie is chat. Walang anuman, salamat din sa pagdalaw. Naka-mute lang dito, according to Panda. Hi, sabi ni Lisa Vlog. Hello sis Lisa Vlog. Good afternoon, good morning. Ano ba? Make love shout out sis Host according to Lisa Vlog. Tambay lang host according to Panda. In purpose smiling more tonight according to John Gibson. Hello Lisa according to Base 1. Make love shout out sa lahat according to Lisa Vlog 8. Nagpa-heart si Lisa Vlog. Thank you sis Lisa. Hello everyone. I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. There's something wrong with my mobile. The camera it's blurred. I don't know what's this. Lisa Vlog. Hi according to John Gibson. 18 in the house. Make love shout out. OMG, you sleepy? Yeah, I feeling sleepy. Because I didn't sleep today. Not sleep today because I'm waiting, you know. My madam come, but she will not come. Because every time she go at 5 o'clock, then they will come at 7. But now she will not come until now, from 5 o'clock. I'm only waiting for nothing. Clean the screen according... Where the screen I should clean? Here in front, see, look at my camera front. It's very blurred. It's blurred. See, it's not like that. See, what's that? It's blurred. What happened that one? See, I'm like a wak. See, it's not like the other mobile. It's not like that before. That's one camera. I don't know what happened. Just now I see, oh my god, what is this? But in back it's clear, right? See, it's clear. But front like that. What's that? I don't know. It's this is first time. I don't know. Where I clean? Where I should clean? Where? Huh? Hello, John Gibson according to Lisa Vlog. Sis Lisa, di ba? Tingnan mo yung ano ko, yung camera ko. Ano no? Blurred no? Blurred? Ano kaya nangyari nito? Pero di ba sa ano, hindi naman, oh, clear naman. Yung ko nangyari, ano, I don't know what happened this one. Wait, where I should clean my camera. Why like this? It's blurred, really. It's blurred. It's not like this. It's impossible. See? Oh my god, what is that? I don't know. I can't fix it. Oh, not like that. Oh my goodness. Why like that? Yeah, I don't know what happened. Where I can fix it? Host, night. Iwan ko lang ito, sabi ni Panda Bear. Sige sis, good night sis Panda Bear. Good night, salamat. Salamat sis. Hanap ka sis. Lagi, ewan ko ano nangyari. Sa camera ko yan ba? Ano nangyari dito sis? Saan ito ayusin? Hanap, tingnan mo, oh. Hanap ba, blurred? Oh, may problema tong anong camera ko. Where's the camera? This one, the camera, right? Maybe, wait, I open. What is this? No, still. Yeah, still. I don't. What happened this one? Oh my goodness.